And
Okay.
we're live.
Hi, we are back.
Hello.
And thanks to Facebook, where we get to interact with all of you.
Yes, with
Happy
all,
to be here.
Yeah, with all the. Ding.
Feeling the love.
All right, Ritik and Yami, welcome to Facebook Live. So you guys just met a couple of lucky fans, and now you guys are going to speak to some fans online. So firstly, how was the experience meeting your fans face to face?
I think we were the ones who are
Yeah,
lucky,
lucky to meet them.
get all the love, and it was nice to know that Facebook also loves us.
So all right. So before we jump into all the questions, let's talk Kabul. What you guys can tell us about Kabul, and why should all your fans go and watch the movie?
Well, I think the choice I would leave to our fans, to the people, to the
Yeah.
audience. I think it's, in the larger perspective, is just another film, though it's our heart and soul.
Yeah.
But I think they should go by their hearts.
Their hearts.
And go watch the film. I would love for them to watch the film and would really hope that they feel what we
Yes.
felt when we were shooting the film. It is a very special film, but I hope they all feel that
This-
it is worthy of being watched. It is.
It's all about this.
It's all about that. Yes.
All right. So we've loved all the promos and trailers, but if someone who's been living under a rock for the last, 30 days, doesn't know anything about Kabul, how would you best sum the film and the experience in 30 seconds, each one?
Why is he under the rock?
Why?
First of all?
Why is he
Why
under
is
the
he
rock?
under?
Please
Why,
get that
guys?
rock.
Why is he under the rock? Why? We gotta sort this person
Yeah.
first, yeah.
He needs to come out of the
Yeah.
rock, man. that rock is a bad idea. But I think if he comes out of the rock,
Yeah.
Kabul will be all over around him. I don't think we'll need to say anything. So he just needs to come out there and open his eyes
Yeah.
to the world of the
Alright.
blind.
From the rock, yeah.
Okay. Yami, how was the experience working with Ritik? I mean, he's a fabulous dancer, an amazing actor. How
You
was
guys
the
don't have
experience?
more emoticons or what? What is this? Ta-da! Ting! And much, many more. Because whatever he's talking right now, heart and love and emotions, I think this is what all Ritik is all about. He's all about giving his heart to his work, giving his heart to the people he works with. Wherever we're going and wherever, I also get to meet a lot of his fans, courtesy Ritik, and I think we all share the same
Courtesy.
feelings. So yeah, because we all we experience and share the same feeling, and it's amazing because I think that's the true mark of not just an actor, but I think a personality which transcends, I think, beyond screen. I think his niceness and what he is at heart, I think that comes beyond screen, that comes beyond what we read about him, and that's all in our hearts, which is all about love, inspiration, admiration. We know how talented and amazing actor he is, and with Kabul, I think it's, when I watched him on big screen, I watched the film, I was like, really, this is the guy I've worked with. I think it's phenomenal. But the experience, I think, that I've had working with Ritik, it's changed my perspective. It's changed me in I think in a lot of ways, for all the good reasons, and I shall carry forward with me. So I say on behalf of everybody, we love you, Ritik. Thank you.
I can't tell you how much that means to me, because I mean, she has words for me. I don't even have words for what I have experienced working with you. Really, it's been such an enriching experience for me, and I know for sure in my heart that Kabul would not have been Kabul without you. And in my Nani's words, you are like my twin. Where
That's so sweet.
yeah, she this morning was my grandfather's 91st birthday. So
Wow.
we were all there.
Very
and,
happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my Dada. But my Nani was very, very, she's so fond of you,
sweet.
and so simply she said that she's fond of you because she thinks you're like my twin.
Oh, sweet. That's the sweetest thing I've heard. That's so sweet.
So yeah, it's been a fabulous experience for the both of us, and not just because of the both of us, but because of the entire atmosphere, the ambience, the environment, the people that we worked with, from all the actors to the technicians to the post-production, the people behind the sound and the visual effects and the DOP, really, Sudeep has created magic in this film. I think it is his best work to date. Resul, behind the sound, has delivered like stuff that cinema should be made of. I mean, these are my personal opinions because I love good cinema, and the sound and the picture, everything has added so much magic. And of course, the director, Sanjay Gupta, just for being the person he is, somebody as vulnerable and as strong as the script was.
Absolutely.
So we got a perfect person to direct this film because it needed that lethal combination of sensitivity and the technical edge that he has. It's incredible.
All right. So fans from all over the world are actually tuning in and they're dying to ask you some questions. So do you mind taking some questions from fans now?
Absolutely.
Bring it on.
All right. So first question is from Jas, and he wants to know from you, Hrithik.
Hi, Joss.
What do you do to prepare for a role of playing a blind man in the movie?
Simply put, do whatever it takes. Whatever comes to your mind that you even think that it could help, you do that. Not just in acting, I'm an actor, so I do it for my acting, but in your life. Whatever you think might help, just do it. The idea for me is really to do enough so that I can be absolutely comfortable in front of the camera. And it's an ongoing practice. I haven't mastered it, but I know that that's the intention. So I can say myself as an aspiring actor myself, who is always trying to get better and more comfortable. That's just what the intention should be. I think once your intention is in place, you know what the objective is. Then you do whatever you have in your hands to achieve that.
All right. Yami, did you take any dancing lessons from Hrithik while you were around him?
I was the one who copied her in Mon Amour.
That's...
I ask her, okay. Ask her, matlab I'll have to ask her. Tell me, is it true or false that I have copied a step of yours in the song, Mon Amour? Yes or no? No more words than that. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah,
but,
finished.
No. But,
I rest my case.
No. But yes, but that's very...
so
sweet of him for making that question, first of all. That's really sweet. But answering that question,
she has the cutest, she's a fabulous dancer, first of all. But there was that one step that she was doing so sweetly and so cutely that I just said, I have to do it like this. So I literally requested her, picked her up from the chair and made her do it for me like twice, thrice. And I was watching it and I kind of downloaded it in my head and then did the same step the same way. So, yeah.
No, but answering your question, sorry, who's asked this question? You have only asked this question. Oh, great. So you...
Question is from Facebook.
Question is from Facebook. That I think, yeah, of course. And it's not just about learning the technicality in terms of a lesson. It's also about, the most basic rule which I learned from him is, which we all know, but we seldom follow, which is practice and rehearse. But when Hrithik practices, it is something else. And you just... I remember the times where all of us would get tired, or even, the dancers with us, the team, थोड़ा break ले लेते हैं, let's just do it. But he would just go on and on and on with a smile, with the same expression. He would just, जब हम practice शुरू करते हैं, we started a bit more on the technical note. But what I felt with Hrithik, he is the character, he's everything already right from the first go. And you just have to watch him do this. Never have I seen a twitch on his face or expression, nothing. All with love, all with heart and undying dedication. So I'm like, let's just do. So no, it's okay, you take it easy. But
That's
if it
because
was
I
not
need the
Hrithik,
practice.
no, that's because there is only, that's the reason why we have only one Hrithik Roshan, and there can be only one Hrithik Roshan. So,
All right, we'll take one more question from a fan and then we'll move on to playing this fun game that we have planned for you guys.
okay.
So the question is from Divyendu and it's for the both of you. So what was your first reaction or expression when you heard that you'll be working with your co-star? So for Yami, Hrithik, and for Hrithik, Yami.
Shall I go first?
Yes.
I am making that face already. I am in my answer.
Okay.
No, please go.
Okay. No. Ladies first. You go first.
Have you seen this face ever? Like this, stuck like this, day and night. So that was my reaction inside out. I was very happy. Happiness maybe is a small word. I was like, I didn't know what to say. I didn't know who to tell first, or I didn't know how should I put it. So I think, that state when you are, that superlative state, degree of happiness, where you're so happy that I think it's gone beyond the level of being it on your face. You're just in a state. You're just in a happy state where it's in your eyes. It's in the aura around you that, oh my God, I'm going to be working with Hrithik. But this energy, this expression, this feeling, it, I think, accelerated to the power of I don't know what infinity when I started working with him till this very day when we are close to, we are all actually on the release date almost. It's because rarely you get to work with someone who is such a big star. We know him, for the star he is, but he doesn't know it. He doesn't come with any sort of a baggage. He's just right there to give you all his heart, all his love to everybody unanimously. And he is that combination of, that talent that he holds, the powerhouse talent that he has, and the nicest human being you can ever come across. He's the most honest, the most truthful, and he appreciates that simplicity as well from you. So I can just go on and on. So coming back to my expression,
You're
You
the
should
same,
show him
man.
some love.
All the things you said is exactly
no.
how you
I'm
are.
not so gracious. I'm not that selfless. I'm not all these things. Maybe a little bit here and there, but
Well,
no.
I'll tell you my reaction when we found her. It's like, have you ever lost something that's like really valuable, in your house? Like maybe you've lost a ring or jewelry or something really important. You've been hunting, and finally you find it, and the relief that you feel, the fear goes away. You just feel like the one very precious thing that you lost is back. So when we were hunting for the actor to play her part in the film, we were actually feeling that sensation of, being lost because we were not being able to find the right person to play this character, because it was really a difficult role to play, and it had to have the vulnerability, that old world charm and beauty and the purity, it's just and I remember till this date, I remember when, and Yami was very kind enough to do us like a test of one scene that she enacted on one hotshot camera, and it came to me on a laptop, and I saw that, and I had seen many before that, but when I saw hers, it was about a 5-minute long scene that she did. I saw 5 seconds of it, and I felt that in my, it hit me. There's something she did with her eyes, which was a very important moment in the film, which is in the film, and you will see it when you see this film in the theaters. It's the moment when I call her Sue for the first time, and there's a reaction. I saw that, and I shut the laptop, and I felt like we are home. We have found the girl that can play this. So it was like finding something that was really precious, and that entire feeling of relief that, wow, this is going to be special. So, and it turned out to be so. So our instincts, our heart were in the right place. So
Sweet.
gratitude for that. Thank you.
Likewise.
So we now want to start with your competitive streak. So there's an iPad right there, which has a game called Kya Tum Kabil Ho. So
Yeah.
The passcode is 000. Sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kya tum kabil ho? Swipe to know.
Swipe to know.
I think you're more kabil than me. I think you should start.
No, I think that's takes more Kabil to say that to the other. So, getting started. Kabil.
Okay.
Hey there. Are you ready to play Kya Tum Kabil Ho? So, guys, we're going to play a very simple game. Kya Tum Kabil Ho. The rules are simple. Okay, they're very simple. Let's start. All the best and have fun. So, what you're going to do is.
You swipe to the next slide. There is a fun task there. If you
Yeah.
do it successfully, congratulations. If not, the person next to you can ask you anything.
So, which is
And
only
you
us.
have to answer truthfully.
Truthfully.
Okay.
There you go. So, that's
for me.
That's for you. That's
okay.
a dare for Ritik. You shall find a cookie next to you. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Place it on your
This
forehead.
can't be a tough dare.
Yeah.
You know.
Please,
I can gobble this
no,
down.
no.
I can gobble as many down as possible
We can, but there's a way to it. So you got to place it on your forehead.
on my forehead.
Yes. And now try to get it in your mouth using only your facial muscles. Simple.
This is like kind of a test for an actor.
Yeah,
that if you can use your
just-
facial
and
muscles.
Just to add, it's just to do it under a minute.
So what? Put it on my forehead.
Yeah.
Right?
And just
Do it under a minute.
yeah. 1, 2. Not bad. 3, 4.
Oh! Can I have another go?
Okay, yeah. Let's
Okay,
go
let me
now.
try.
Okay, 15 seconds.
How am I looking right
It's
now?
looking amazing. You look like one of those, क्या बोलते हैं?
Oh my God, this stuff.
Those cool.
Okay, I've lost.
Those, okay.
What
no
is my?
stress.
What's the question you want
What's
to ask?
the? I want to ask you. What question should we ask you? That's very. Okay.
You have to answer truthfully.
Yeah. Who? Who's who's Hrithik Roshan's favorite dancer? Like it could be anybody, like from international or here anywhere.
Okay, I have two.
Okay.
I have to. My very first ideal in that regard was Shami Kapoor.
Yeah.
I was crazy about him. I just used to copy him and stuff and the things that he used to do. It was just incredible.
So sweet.
And of course, Michael Jackson. I used to have Michael Jackson's, his songs and his shows on the laser disc at that time. You know, there was
those
these big
big
discs,
one.
yeah. And I used to love that laser disc because it was the first time that you could pause a visual and go frame by frame forward and reverse.
Wow.
So I used to learn every single step of his by going frame by frame, that now that back foot has come in the front and it hits the toe first. Okay, then I used to try it like that. And to steal, into my dad's room because the LD was in his room. And I used to lock the door from inside.
Oh. That's for. I think I asked that on behalf of all of us. We're all curious to know.
Okay,
who's-
my turn.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Okay, I like this one. Do the hook step of Kaho Na Pyar Hai.
This is the entire world.
Any
can
hook
do.
step that you can think of.
Entire world can. Oh, sorry, on
I'll sing for you.
Yeah.
Come on. Which one?
anyone. I'm going to perform anyway, my style only. So it's going to be.
Okay, come on. So then which one? No, you got to stand up and do it. Can you stand up and do it?
Can I tell you how I used to do it first?
Okay.
Let me not show you my finesse right now. I think I should just entertain you with how I started this.
Okay.
Watch my shoulders.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now you please start.
No, she's doing it better than me.
That's the
already.
Bhangra version, I think, of it.
I like it. I think it looks cute.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, it's actually better than what I
Oh,
do.
please.
I swear.
Oh, please. I'll kill
Yeah.
myself for this.
I think you should face the camera.
That's
and do it
how
because
somebody told me
from
once.
My angle,
and
it's
I-
looking really.
And I performed in a party because someone really pumped me that it looks cooler. That's what someone said. You know
I'm telling you.
idea how many
I'm telling
bloopers
you.
and how many those makings were made in that party, and I was So, but once again,
Face the camera. and
Face
do
the
it.
camera.
Like how you're
Okay.
facing me. Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Well done.
Oh God, I know it's such a big.
Okay, so you've got that one.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
Okay. Okay, so I have to do this. Sing a song with words that people next to you
No, I think it's my turn now.
throw at you. So you ask.
So
give me
sing
a
a
word.
song with the words that people throw at you. That person is me. So let's try how good is your French, Ritik. Mon amour. There's a word called mon amour in French, which means my love. So can you sing a song with mon amour?
Arey, how easy is that? I'll just sing the real song. I'll sing Mon Amour only.
So that
No,
only
you
now.
asked. You
Arey, but-
can't take it back. Mon Amour. Arey, I forgot the word.
छोड़ दो खुद
मुझको
को
ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कहीं.
कदम से
Did it?
कदम जो मिले. Oh,
I've done it.
Oh.
I've done it.
oh,
That was so easy.
Let's.
No, you can't get a second turn. Hello.
You can't get a second turn, but I give you for a cookie.
I am so sorry. Now my turn. Say the English.
What?
This is tough. Say the English alphabet backwards.
Okay. Z, Y, X, W, V, T, W, V, U, T,
Oh my
S.
God, she's good.
Okay. Did we reach till S? Okay. T, S, Q.
No.
How, prove
No,
me
no.
wrong. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. It's correct.
No.
Correct. Correct. Yeah. It's correct. I was
She
coming
missed
to
R,
R.
I'm doing.
I was coming to R.
No, you missed R.
I missed R. Okay.
Yeah, somebody has to keep track.
Okay.
Yeah, what are you guys doing?
Okay. So we've reached till R. Correct.
No, you missed R. You already lost.
I've already lost.
No, but it's okay. One more. So Q.
So Q, R. Okay. Q, R, S. So we are on
So R, Q.
R,
Continue.
Q.
R, Q and
R,
continue.
Q and continue. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, P,
No.
O, N, P, no,
Q.
Q, हाँ, that's all done. वो भी हो गया, okay?
Q, O.
Q, O. And then, ABCD of first JJ. That's French. उल्टा बोलना था ना, मैंने बोल दिया French में.
Really? What do you mean?
ABCD, FG, हो गया. That's French. मतलब बोलने
you're
से
getting away with your sweetness and all that stuff. Fine.
I think we can do a question. You can ask her.
Okay.
Ask you a question?
Yeah.
What question would I ask you? Okay. When Kabul began,
Yes.
You were a certain size. Through 10 days of Kabul, you had transformed. How much weight did you lose and how did you do it? Because I have still not figured out how a person can transform in 10 days. And we want the truth.
Oh, okay. Right. I think you caught me looking at those cookies. That's
Ah.
what struck you, I think. Yes.
What was your weight and then what became your weight?
I lost about 5 to 6.
In 10 days.
Yeah.
Now we all
Yeah.
want to know the answers. How?
The answer is very simple.
How can you do that in 10 days?
One day, I was having a conversation about health. Like
I remember that.
Yes, with you.
Yeah, but I did not give you a plan for 10 days.
No, but you.
I gave you a plan for 10 months.
You gave me something which I remember for life, which was the most important, which was in a blockage in my head. So I said, we spoke about health and all, and I said, I'm trying to work on it.
She was afraid of losing the little
The
baby
puppy fat.
puppy fat because she was, like, no, but I think this is like my charm. ये मेरा charm है, charm.
चाम नहीं है, आम लगता है अंदर.
So I said, ठीक है ना, the charm goes away, you have some laddus and all, the charm will come back. So don't feel afraid. Try it at least.
So once, yeah, so I said, हाँ, ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं, वो तो मैं वैसे ही खा लेती हूँ. तो बाद में फिर से खा लेंगे, अगर लगता है कि चाम चला जाएगा. I said, yeah, have more samosas and laddus. So that, to remove that blockage, I think was very important. And then, of course, you're working with Mr. Hrithik Roshan, you have to be literally on your toes. He inspires you without sometimes even not saying anything in the best possible way to help you discover something in you or your potential which probably is obscure.
You're not
to
giving
you.
the answer. You are,
Okay,
you are digressing.
I'll just say one thing. I think first of all, what my experience
How
is,
many hours did you work out?
I used to work out for an hour
What
and
did
a
you
half
stop
or 2
eating?
hours
2 hours.
every day.
Before shooting?
Before shoot. So if the call time was say
So if the
around
call time is 9 o'clock,
9,
you're waking up at 5 or something.
at 5:30 and work out for like 2 hours.
And you've not been doing this. You just began.
I just began and I
Dude,
gave up.
that's
I-
incredible. Do you know how many people in the world can do that? Like to just begin, take that first step and wake up at 5 in the morning and then continue that for like the last, 10 months? What, no?
Yes.
6 months now.
6 months almost now. So I
Yeah,
gave up
so
on
she's
sweets
something else.
and breads and so I
Just like that.
I
She just gave it up.
switched. So I'm not like cutting down food at all. I'm a big foodie, and I think you know it's a notion I think which you've spoken so many times in your interview. You just got to eat right and stay happy and exercise whatever you want. That's what I did, and yeah. So all thanks to him.
And a great example for all the people who say they don't get time to work out. Because she was not even used to it and she started waking up at 5 in the morning for a 9 a.m. shoot so that she can work out for 2 hours and then come to shoot and then emote and do all the things that you did in the day. Dude, it's like amazing.
Thank
Oh,
you.
we were
That's
playing
so
a game.
sweet.
मैं
We
तो
were
भूल ही
playing
गया.
a game. That's
इसके
so
बाद क्या
sweet.
next?
अच्छा, next है
Oh, mine. Make a funny face, take a selfie and post it on
posted
Facebook.
Okay.
My face itself is quite funny right now.
Not at all.
Where's, do
Yeah.
we have a camera?
Camera. The cookie face
Okay.
was very funny though.
No, you copy my face.
Okay. Done.
I'll show you your face. You copy
Okay.
that. Okay. And we'll post that. We'll do a couple.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Here we go. I have to pick it myself. Correct. Okay. Now I'll show you the face. We'll do the first one. We'll do is okay. This one.
You do it so well. You're not looking funny. You're looking good. So.
Okay. Another one. Okay. You just eyes one eyebrow. Okay, good. Come on.
Oh God, I look really. I don't look
It's
even
supposed
close
to be.
to you.
It's supposed to be a funny
I
face.
don't look close to you. Okay.
Okay, you make your funniest face and I'll make my funniest face.
No, I'll copy you. That's better. I
Okay.
never look funny all the time.
Okay.
So.
Okay, so whatever. This one. Wait, shadow. Once more. I don't think we should post these.
Yeah, I
They're-
think
they're a bit too funny.
They are good in our hearts. I think they are good in our hearts.
But chalo, we tried.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, there's more?
No. So there are a lot of fans who are posting in their comments, their questions. Mostly.
Yeah, let's interact with the fans, yeah. We just,
Yeah. So mostly everyone is like, we love you. So Shumez Khan.
We love you too. Thank you so much for that, yeah. Love you, thank you.
So Shum S. Khan is like, Hrithik, you're looking so outstanding in Kabul. I'm desperately waiting for you to say my name. I love you so much.
What's his name again?
Shum S. Khan. Shum
Shumez.
S. Khan.
Shum.
Yeah, Shum.
Shum S. Khan. I love you, man. Thank you so much for that compliment. I hope you like the film. Thank you.
Ashutosh Ranjan is like, Yami, you're so beautiful.
Thank you, Ashutosh. Thank you. I'm trying to make that funny face which Hrithik just taught me. So.
Sayed Najibullah is asking a question, which is, what is that precious thing which you might not let it go at any cost in your life?
What's his name again?
Sayed Najibullah.
Sayyid.
Precious.
Sayyid, I think the one thing that should be the most precious in your life is your character. So don't let go of that. That's what I try and hold on to most. So,
So the
yeah,
Yeah, true.
correct. Next.
So there are fans from across the border, I mean, and around the world were like, Jessica Evans is like, he's so awesome. Then there's...
Thank you, Jessica.
And
Love
she's
you.
also saying, I'm now getting into Indian culture and this is the best thing I've watched.
Well, that's so nice to know, yeah.
So sweet.
That's nice to know. Thank you.
Vineet Pai is like, hi Ritik Bhai, waiting eagerly as I always wait for your movies, but this is way more exciting. Gonna watch Kabul tomorrow evening.
Vineet, big hug,
Thank
man.
you.
Thank you.
Siddharth Kumar Das apparently had met you and he still remembers the day that you came to DSI Bangalore for K3 promotions and lots of love from Orissa, Bhubaneswar.
Lots of love to you as well. Thank you.
Okay, there's one person who has a fitness question. Okay.
Fitness questions, all fitness queries
Yeah.
pointed to
Oh
her now.
God.
And this
Please.
sounds like
She
a
has
very
taken over.
newspaper fitness question, by the way. So Sumedha Ray wants to know. I'm doing Zumba for my fitness for the past 6 months. According to you, what is better, Zumba or gym? Please suggest. I'm 5 feet 5 inches tall and my weight is 65 kilos.
Please.
What would you suggest?
I would suggest, I think fitness is it's a combination, it's a coherence of your diet and your workout.
Yeah. And I don't think it matters what you do.
What you do, even if it's
Just do it.
dancing, yeah.
If you have, whatever you enjoy, yeah, just do it. Don't, because if you can't decide, you'll be wasting more time thinking. कि
And
क्या
doing.
करूँ मैं, ये करूँ, वो करूँ. Just get up and do whatever is possible.
Okay.
Yeah,
Huh?
true, absolutely.
Imran Jabil wants to know, which is your favorite place in this entire world to hang out and chill?
What's your favorite place?
I love my nani's place. I'll tell you
Oh,
why. Ek to you can literally get chilled there. It's very cold in Himachal. Secondly, that's the hub where the entire gossip happens, not the filmy gossip, the family gossip. I won't be able, even knowing those funny names, that Flana Pappu Chacha ji did this, and Chimnu Chacha ji did this, and Kalu Mama did this, and all those things would come. I'll just enjoy all that conversation with a cup of chai and all those animated conversations. So
I can imagine.
it's a happy place where the entire
sweet.
family gets together. And
Sweet.
that's, I love that.
Ajinkya has this question for you.
Ajinkya, hi.
Yeah. I'm not too sure Yami's going to be very happy with this. But Yami, why are your jeans torn? Did Kabul do that to you?
Oh God! Why are my jeans torn? What's his name?
Ajinkya.
Ajinkya,
Maurya.
you can look up also from the jeans.
I was just going to say the same thing.
You can look up also on the face. So my face, I think if it gives you happiness, because we are, so lots of love to you.
Okay, Nada Kamal says, hello, I'm from Egypt and we would love you to read my message and please say my name. She's
What's her name?
Nada Kamal from Egypt.
Nada, hi. Egypt has been such a special place for me. I had a great experience when I was there last for my film. So lots of love to you and hopefully I'll see you there when I'm there next.
Okay, so we're taking in the last question. It's from Ravena Jain. What is the similarity between you and your character in the film that you're playing?
That's for the both of us?
Yes.
May I answer this?
Yes, please.
I think to a very large extent, there are some films where you take from the character, and there are some films where the characters are already somewhere you. I think for Kabul, and with the way that I have observed Yami also just be the character, I think to a large extent for the both of us, if I may speak
Yeah,
for the both of
absolutely.
us,
That's true.
that I think we already were Rohan and Supriya somewhere inside.
That's true.
And so I think that's why all the scenes and all just flowed. The reason I think I assume that is because even off camera, when the takes were done, the equation remained just like Rohan and Su on the set. It was really, really
right? Pure, very
Yeah.
with a certain. I think it was very organic.
Yeah, it was lovely.
Just like final thoughts on the movie, asking people to invite them for the.
Well, this has been wonderful. It's been a wonderful chat. Thank you, Facebook, and thank you to all of you for being here with us. We hope that you go watch our film and really hope that you like the film. I just want to say thank you for all the love and all the support for all these years. I am who I am, what I am, whatever I am is because of you, because of the constant motivation, encouragement, and the guidance which I get through your feedback all the time. So I'm humbled. I feel very special. I feel a lot of gratitude, and I promise to always keep earning this love through my hard work. I will, I don't take it for granted. So just thank you.
The hearts are there.
The hearts are there. There are the hearts.
Yeah,
The
feel
hearts.
the love.
Feel the love.
There are
Yeah.
4 hearts in this frame right
Yes.
now. So thank you guys. Bye bye.